Hello everyone.
Hi guys! Happy Australia Day!
Yay!
Woohoo! We're not looking, we're actually not
Aussie,
looking
Aussie,
very
Aussie.
celebrating
Oi,
Aussie.
oi, oi. Well, that's because we're, we're
Because we're
showing something else.
sophisticated.
Yeah, we're sophisticated, and I'm the boss, and
Not every day.
yeah, and she's just,
I'm just the help.
she's a hired help. No.
Yeah. Definitely the hired help. Alright, so let's start. Your outfit is not new, but let's tell the ladies what you're wearing in case they're like, damn, I need that outfit.
That's right. Yes, any baggy white pants. This is the cargo culotte.
Cargo culotte. Soft touch cargo culotte. So
That's right. And
beautiful.
I just think it's just exquisite as a summery floaty pant, cool to wear, but then when you want to sort of make it a little bit more into winter, you put something black with it. I've got my cami, my raffia belt, because the belt somehow finishes it off. So without the belt, it didn't look finished to me.
Yeah.
And then you pop your double-breasted blazer, which is, this is just divine, that
So
fabric I keep
beautiful.
raving about. It is just the most beautiful fabric. Most beautiful, like linen, but it's not linen because it doesn't crush. It's amazing. We've got this beautiful pinstripe, not pinstripe, sort of like a fine stripe as a lining, and it shows up in the cuffs, and that's what's made my look.
Really cute.
I think I just look totally put together.
You know what I really love? I really love a white pant with a black top. I've said this before, but like you don't kind of get the same impact from going the reverse, wearing a black pant and a white top. That kind of, unless you've got something special about your outfit and you're making a statement, it's just nyeh. But if you wear a white pant and a black top, it's like reverses the eye to what they're used to, because most people do the other way.
That's
Tip.
right. Yes,
I
tip.
like it. And that
Good
is
tip.
that, even though that's a standout outfit regardless of the colour.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
So I have something new on. I have on this little jumper. You've seen it in a few other colours. I think we've got purple and we've got like a really dark charcoal. But this is sort of your mid-grey. And you know what? I am loving it over the top of our pocket cami. I'm wearing my droppies, so I had a half tuck. But how cute's that? You know how we're saying that grey on grey trend is really huge? This is exactly how you want to do it. So you could be wearing a white pant under this. Obviously, I'm wearing black. But if you happen to have any grey pants, we do have some that we may have sold out of, but they're called the Moon Rock Jogger. That would look hot. It's like a silvery coloured pant.
Yes, it would look amazing with
Yeah?
that.
I wish I was wearing them now that I've said that.
Yes, of course.
But I'm not.
Yeah, you're not.
I'm not.
What about it?
So because I'm wearing a bit of a baggy, tracky look, I'm going to do the half tuck because I just need to.
Look
Just
great
do.
the other way, but this is just something different.
Something different. So I think that I'm going to give you this jumper because something I love about this jumper is wearing it with baggy pants. It looks so cool.
I love it, especially with these baggy pants. I also love it because it's the ivory colour. Are you going to pop this on or not?
No,
No. Pop
I
something
mean,
else on.
I'll put some other new things on.
No, that's right. Been there, done that. So I will pop this on.
It's old news.
I'll leave
Done
my
it,
belt
done
on
it
because I
a
might
million
just
times.
do a bit of a front tuck so you can see the belt. So I'll leave it all on.
Oh yeah, no, I love the belt with it. But you know what? Even wearing the belt and having the jumper over the top, I wonder what that looks like, just so you can see through it a bit. Might not be able to see it.
Okay. You mean the belt over the top of the jumper?
No. I just thought that leaving the belt under there, you could
Yeah,
see it,
just
but you actually can't see it
You
enough.
can't.
Don't
But
worry.
if it's a different colour, I probably could.
Yes,
So
true.
I'm going to just pop that.
I love that. That's stunning. What a
Wow.
great way to bring your white pants
Wow.
into winter.
Oh, I
So
love.
cute.
Actually, this raffia belt seems to work with these fabrics a lot more than what any other fabrics we've done, don't you think?
Yeah. And also the raffia belt, it's a bit stiffer. You know, sometimes they're quite soft elastic, so when you're doing all the tucking, it rolls a bit. This one doesn't, even though it's comfy.
Yeah, and it's quite stretchy. And what you do to hold it together, you loop it back through like
Yeah,
I've
let
done.
me show them. We haven't shown it
Yeah.
for a while.
Yeah, I haven't done this for a while. If you do that, you know, it'll slip through. So what you do, you make it as tight as you like, and then just thread it through. And for some people, it'll just be like that. But for me, it's a little bit more. There you go. And I've got it quite loose, so it does stretch a heck of a lot. Maybe I'll show you after.
Yeah, no, it does. Stretches heaps. Heaps. I think that looks hot.
Okay,
I
well,
like it.
I think this is my pick for now.
That's definitely
Love.
your pick. This is a real you outfit.
Did you talk about your cardigan?
No, it's not new, so I don't think we have to talk about
Look
it.
good. Okay,
It looks
fair
good.
enough.
We'll show it to you. I just wanted to put something else on, but we'll show it to you combined with some of the other new pieces.
What about that?
Is that
You got that?
Oh, that will look good with this top.
Yeah, that's new, and it goes with the cardigan you just had.
It does.
If you want to twin it.
Yes.
As it gets cold, you might like to twin a few things.
But I do actually quite like this over the grey too.
That's
this
nice.
This is one of those camis that is your great layering piece, and that's why we picked out the grey, because I suppose it might, like, grey's a new colour. We haven't seen it around
Grey's the new
for,
black.
grey is the new black.
Yeah.
But how
As
cute
well as
just with
blue is
this.
the new black.
Blue's definitely the new black. So this is just your simple V-neck, really sloppy top. Don't go down a size, guys. I feel like this might be one of those things you think you can size down. Definitely do not. We're wearing all size 10s, and I would purchase a size 10 in this, but if you want it to be even a bit more sloppy, go up a size, because we've made it to fit. It looks big, but it's actually not, because you need your arms to be nice and firm. So if you went down a size, I feel like the arms might feel too tight. So how cute's that? I love it layered with the grey.
That longer line cami is perfect for some of these
Longer jumpers.
jumpers, yeah, because sometimes the blogger you don't quite see underneath, but oh, this is a bad after all that. I didn't want to put this on, but I think it's all right. Oh, because it's black and I was already wearing black ladies. And, you know,
Actually, it's pretty sexy, I've got to say.
It's kind of cool, yeah.
Very sexy.
And I feel like maybe I should do
Yes.
you know,
I actually love it with those
a
pants.
chain belt.
Really love it with those pants. After all that, you're going to get one.
I'm going to get one, yeah.
Yeah, really
nice.
nice. This is made very
Classy.
dressy. This is a good dressy top, actually. You know when sometimes you just need a good black top? I like it.
I think it's nice, yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, really easy to wear, ladies. It's kind of crepey. It's a beautiful, soft fabric. It's super drapey, and it's really lovely to wear. Nice low V, and it's so simple you can do anything with it. I guess that's the main feature, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it. I like it. So
Now we're talking.
I've twinned up. You know what? I feel like I'm not vibing my colours. There's something about it. It might be that I need a bit of a front tuck, but my cami's all undone. If I was wearing light, tight pants,
They're not all too. Some of them are too short and some of them are too long.
Yeah, that's right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bit of a front tuck. Just so we can show you what it looks like. I think if I'm showing a little bit more leg, that's when it's going to work. I've kind of got it all scrunched up under here. It doesn't, I know it looks a bit funny, but this makes it suddenly more me.
It does, and I think if you neaten that off and you do the folds like, you know,
Yeah.
we're telling everyone, it'll be fine.
Yeah,
It'll
totally.
be fine.
Yeah,
that's
cool.
nice.
Okay, great. But you could also be wearing a blogger underneath. If grey isn't your thing, you could be wearing any of the blogger camis or any of these camis in the other colours under the blue. I do like the grey and the blue. It's quite nice.
It's nice. I might just try that cardigan with this colour.
Oh, yeah, nice.
This combination, because it just could make it a little bit different.
I love the black, white and blue. Something about this blue, it's really different.
That's what I was thinking. This looks so smart.
People talking over
I
there.
know. Sorry. Talking back there. Sorry, we can't yell out. No, I didn't say that.
We want to go like
We can't do
I
that.
think it's a customer.
It's a customer, so we can't do that. So you just have to put up with it. There you go. Oh, I don't know who that was. It was definitely a customer.
It was someone's husband.
Yeah, coming to pick up some stock, so that's what. And they're wondering what we're doing here. They
And he
think
was
we're
like
doing
staring
nothing.
at us, and
Yeah,
I'm like
they-
thinking, sorry, we can't help you.
People think we're doing nothing, we're talking to ourselves, and we're trying to interrupt and we're trying to ignore them, and then you hear everyone talking in the background.
Oh, well, that's what happens.
That's what happens, yes, that's right.
All right, that looks cool. I like that.
Yeah,
That
cool.
looks really cool. Yes,
Cool.
definitely.
Okay, yeah, good.
All right, so now we've got our new,
Grace
this new
print.
blouse. I'm just going to do up the button,
Okay.
and I'm going to show you guys what you're going to do with the cuff.
It's a fabulous new cuff, so you need to pay attention now, I think.
Hang on. Do the cuffs up before you actually get it on. Actually, they'll come to you buttoned up.
Yes,
Where
so
it's
don't
gonna-
undo them unless your hand is enormous. Usually you can slip through.
You can always
Yeah,
slip through.
yeah.
Okay, let me just
Yeah,
put
it's just
myself
one of those
together.
nice, oh, peachy fabric,
Yeah, this is
beautiful.
pretty nice. This is a nice
So
one.
nice to feel. Don't you love getting these gorgeous fabrics that just feel so nice?
Totally. I love it. I'm very fussy with fabrics. Okay, now we've got a cuff that's a very squared off cuff. It's got two buttons, sorry. It's got 2 buttons. What I've done is I'm going to just button up the top one, the one that's closest to the top of the cuff, and then I'm just going to fold it back. You don't have to, but I feel like for this sort of timing, it's actually good. Now remember, I've got short arms, so on everyone else when you cuff it, it's going to be there, which is the perfect length. For me, I'd have to cuff it more purely because I'm a shorty.
And Lauren also looks good with the cuff down anyway. If you feel like
yes,
you want a bit
yes,
more
100%.
length.
Yeah, when winter rolls around, like
Yeah,
it's still
to leave
kind of
it
hot
down.
weather, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, now then, oh, this has the pockets too.
Nice. Just a nice jacket.
This is totally,
Or
this
just
is
a
actually, this is the shirt I was wearing, the grey one, but with a long sleeve.
Would you
Same
put that
deal.
underneath, Lauren, and have
I'm
that
sure
as a
you
jacket?
could.
Do you want to try that?
Yeah, I just want to do a front tuck in this first.
Yeah, sure. Because you can use any of the bloggers, of course.
Yeah, because you
nice
still
as
want
a
to
shirt.
layer your jackets.
Yeah,
Look,
nice.
my pants are probably wrong. I think a jean would be best.
Yeah,
or
I
a
agree.
white-
I
a white
agree.
pant,
I
yeah?
could actually even do it with my outfit, so maybe I'll try it as well.
See, I was looking a bit frumpy until I did this tuck. You were all thinking, Lauren, you don't look
Yeah, what
good.
are you
Take
doing,
it off.
Lauren? Yeah,
Shut up,
that's
Lauren.
right.
You don't
Yeah.
even know what you're talking about, but I do. I had to zhuzh.
You just had to show. You had to show. So what's happening now?
Are you doing this?
Yes. I just think I better take this off.
This I feel
Maybe
like a
we
white
should try
pant
this
would look so beautiful.
I just threw that off because, sorry, because you're waiting.
It's
I got
Faye's
flustered.
favourite top.
I got flustered.
We've had a lot of action just then behind the camera. Did we keep straight faces?
Yeah, a lot of things were going on, and we just kept on going.
And everyone was staring at us, and we're like, look, can you not see that we're busy?
Now,
Please.
Can I just say, you've already got the cuffs used up. Like that, for some reason, I feel short.
Yeah, but on a tall person, that's gorgeous.
It's going to be amazing, and I think it's just the length. So what I've got to do is definitely do the zhuzh. You know,
Do
that's
your
always
zhuzh.
what it is.
It's all about the
Always,
zhuzh, guys.
always about the zhuzh,
Always
ladies.
about the zhuzh.
Oh, that top looks
And-
sensational on you.
It actually looks really good on you too. It's one of those little triggers that you
I
just don't know
think
until you
it's
try it.
deceiving. You've got to try it on.
Get rid of the chain.
Yeah, the chain doesn't work.
Yep. I'm going to say on that zhuzh comment, if you need to know the power of zhuzh, aside from the fact, keep watching because you'll get tips and tricks along the way.
Yeah,
Join
we
our VIP group on Facebook. That will give you tips and tricks along the way. But more importantly, if you're in Melbourne, you may want to come in for a styling session. Our staff that are here, they've been here for a very long time. They're trained. They know exactly what they're doing. They'll teach you some zhuzh. I like it.
Yeah, I think
like it with the
looks
white.
good.
White
Looks
pants
really
look
nice. And excuse me, I know that the chain didn't work. I'm so surprised how good that top looks.
I know, it looks really good on you too though.
Oh my god, what were we thinking?
So you can leave the arms down. This one actually was designed to be left the arms down because we're coming into our winter months. But of course you can, they're stretchy. You can pull them up if you want to. So depending on what you want, but they do suit perfectly to be down at the wrist comfortably. And it is a tiny bit sheer. Can you see, Faye? Hardly.
Hardly. It's tiny.
Yeah, it's like quite a dense
It's
chiffon
tiny.
that's got
Don't
like...
wear your white bra, put it that way.
No, you'll probably want to wear more than a bra underneath, but you never know. It depends what your style is.
And look, I've just added the raffia belt with this, just to show you a little bit of something. I feel like I need to tuck it in a little bit more though, so you can see more of the belt. Is that better? Yeah, that's a bit better. Kind of just finishes it off somehow. And then I think because I've done that, I need to undo this button.
Did we try this cardi over that? Because that looks better on you for today, I think.
All right. It's more my thing.
I mean, they're totally different blues. I just know you guys are probably thinking, I like it. I really like it. I didn't think I was going to. Thought it was
No,
going to
I
get
think it looks really interesting.
Looks really, really good. Don't be afraid to mix these blues up, guys. It looks great.
I haven't done this properly. Sorry, ladies. You know that I'm particular about that, but I'll leave it for now because I think you still get the effect. I think
Yeah.
this is pretty hot.
I really like that.
You know, that
Amazing.
long cardi idea is so slimming,
So slimming.
so elongating and so flattering. I'm glad it's finally a look.
Yeah, it's really
We've been doing it
nice.
for years, but I'm glad it's actually trendy now.
Yeah, love it. Love
We're
it, love
done.
it. And I've got to say, this top is good.
It's a good top.
This is
it's
a good
good
top.
basic.
Yeah,
Gotta
really good basic.
Give it its worth. It's a good top.
Even as an all black outfit, because
Nice.
I've got my bamboo droppies on, which kind of they say something, you know, it's not just your average run of the mill person that would wear these bamboo
And
droppies.
shoes, they say something too.
My shoes say something, but this top also says something, and this is how, you know, really I'm wearing 2 pieces plus shoes, but this is how you can do the power of 3 with just wearing all black.
Yeah, like it.
I'm
like
impressed with our skills,
it. Yeah.
once again.
I'll pat on the back to each of
Yes,
us.
well done.
What can I
Yes,
say?
well done. All right,
Well, I hope
guys.
you got something out of it, otherwise that pat on the back was totally useless. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Give yourselves a pat on the back. Yeah, pat on the back day. All right, guys, it's time for us to go.
It's time. say goodbye. Bye.
Bye, guys.